Hi children and hi everyone. Children, in previous videos we discussed about the some problems related to the laws of motion chapter. So today I am going to start one new lesson, very interesting lesson children, and very important too. So children, I am going to the chapter now today. Is matter pure? Is matter pure? So in this chapter we discuss about the what is mean by pure substance and what is the mixtures and what are the types of mixtures. We want to go for the explain that. So children, up to now you didn't subscribe my channel, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest notifications. So again, after watching the video you must like, share the video, and children, my request is you must watch the video without skipping the video, then only my content will reaches you, otherwise it is not possible to understand. So I am requesting you, without skipping the video you must watch the lesson. Okay children, so children, here today our topic is matter pure? So generally we may use this word while we went to our market. We will ask about the very pure. For example, we went to some shop, we will purchase the pure milk, and oil also we can prefer pure. So what is mean by pure? Tell me. Here, even though we purchase some pure milk packet, and you can cut the packet and this should be pour milk into some vessel, then take a churner, and by churning that one we will find that some layer will be formed on the water. Churner means that should be seems like this. It is the one churner. So that should be, we have to do this like this. We have to rotate the churner in the milk. Then this is nothing but it is a centrifuge. What is that? Centrifuge. Churner can be acts as the centrifuge. Clear? This churner will be where when a vessel milk is there and we are churning like this. Then what you observe here, the water part in the milk particle should be sprinkled, and we can observe that some layer will be formed on the milk surface. So now if we can separate that one, that is also having so many components. So what we purchase is actually pure. So but what it is not pure. That means here it is not only one component, so it is having some components. So generally pure means what? The things what we are purchasing in the market, we can say that is pure and fresh. We will use these words: fresh milk, fresh pure milk, and fresh banana, fresh oranges. We will ask, even though we went to chicken also, we will ask it is fresh or not, we can ask like that. So here what is meant by pure? The pure means it is according to the science and according to our daily life, pure is different. Pure is different. Clear children? So here we are entering into the topic now children. Here in this chapter, here you may learn so many things. So generally here, the substances which are in our surroundings, the substances which are in the surrounding, those are classified into two types. They are the first thing is pure substances, and next thing is here mixtures. Here mixtures. The substances are classified into the pure substance and mixtures. And again mixtures are classified into two types. Those are homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Here what example, if you can take a milk and you are using some churner, the milk also having some other component like a cream. And for if you want to examine that, if anyone go to the hospital during the some urine test, blood test also, they will collect in test tubes. Blood also collect in test tubes, and the blood test will be done by using some device, centrifuge machine. That means our blood also having so many other components. So many, it is not pure form of blood. Blood also consists of some water and other components will be there. That's why here generally what we get pure, that should be different from others. So in our physics or in our science, pure means, so we will discuss here now. In this case, the substances are what we have in our surroundings, they may be classified as the pure substances, mixtures, and again mixtures are divided into homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. Children, pure substance, generally if you can take a gold biscuit, so gold biscuit should be taken as the pure substance. Gold substance should be taken as the pure substance. Here what is mean by pure substance means, if you can take any part of the substance, that part consists of the composition of mass is same. That means, for example, now this is the one gold biscuit. If it is cut into number of pieces, cut into number of equal pieces, if it is cut into the number of pieces, then the composition of particles should be same. For example, here in this we have some 20 particles there, here also 20, and here also 20, and here also 20. That means the composition of mass or the composition of particles are same in every part of the gold biscuit. That type of substance is called pure substance. Clear? Pure substance means what? The substance which consists of same composition or same number of atoms or same content in each part of the object. In every part we have the composition, the distribution of mass or the distribution of particles should be uniform. That type of substance is called pure substance. Clear, children? Pure substance means what? The substance which consists of their composition or the distribution of particles should be same in every part of the substance. That should be called pure substance. This is the definition for the pure substance in science. So the example what he was given in the textbook, we are taking some gold biscuit. If it is cut into the number of pieces of same size, then every part of the biscuit should be having same composition. Clear? Now next thing is what? Mixture. So generally we can use this word so many times: mixture, 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 mixture. So what is mean by mixture? When two or more substances are combined or mixed. When two or more substances are combined. So here they are mixed together but they are not combined chemically. That means there is no chemical reactions going on between them. Simply mixture means nothing but mixing of two or more components. But they are not chemically combined. Any chemical reactions are not going on there. So that means there are chemical changes. Already you know about, I think, physical changes and chemical changes. Okay, later in previous chapter we discuss. Simply what is the mixture? Mixture is nothing but mixing of two or more components, and but condition is what? That they are not chemically combined. That should be what we call here mixtures. Clear? So for example, we are taking a glass of water. And that we are dropped some sugar. We are taking, this is now a glass. Thus we are having some water. In that what we are adding? We are adding some spoon of sugar. That is, we are sharing it one. Then what it is, what we call, that is a mixture. Clear? And here while we are taking in the morning session, we will prepare some tea. Tea is what? Tea or coffee? Tea is mixing of water, sugar, tea powder. So while we are mixing them and heating them, we are preparing the tea. And coffee also same, milk, coffee powder and little bit water. So here all we have some mixtures. So here mixture means, generally he was given one example for you. Preparation of lemonade. Lemonade means we are preparing some lemon juice. Lemon juice or juice, all juices are the best example for mixtures. Pineapple juice. How we can prepare the pineapple juice? We have to take the pineapple and that should be cut into number of pieces. Again, we have to pour some milk in those pieces and we have to add some ice and we have to add some sugar. Then again we are grind them. Then we are getting what it is. After filtration, what you get? Juice. So here every juice is one best example for mixture. So we have lot of examples for mixture. Here the atmosphere has so many gases. It is mixing of so many gases. It is a mixture. So in this case, what we have to say, the mixture is nothing but mixing of two or more substances is called mixture. Clear, children? So pure substance is over and mixtures is over. Clear? Mixture is nothing but what? Mixing of two or more substances. They are not chemically combined. Clear, children? And now in this case, again, mixtures are classified into two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. What is mean by homogeneous mixture and what is mean by heterogeneous mixture? Children, to understand that, in our textbook one activity is there to understand about the homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. For that, we have to take the two test tubes. We are taking this is the first test tube and this is a second test tube of same size. So here I am saying now this is what? Test tube A. Test tube A, and this is now test tube B. Test tube B. Clear, children? Test tube A consists of water. This is what we are taking water in the first test tube. This is water, and now we are taking this is the kerosene. So here this one is what? Water, and this one is what? Kerosene. Children, clear? We are taking two test tubes. They should be named as test tube A and test tube B. Clear? So tell me now here, test tube A is filled with some water and test tube B is filled with some kerosene. After that, we are adding 1 spoon of salt in each test tube. Clear? We are adding 1 spoon of salt. We are adding some salt. 1 spoon of salt in each test tube. In each test tube. So now what you have to say? In which test tube the salt is going to be dissolved and in which test tube it is not dissolved. You can do this activity in our home also. Clear, children? So here now simply we are adding salt to the water and we are adding salt to the kerosene. After some time you can observe that the salt should be dissolved in water, but in kerosene salt is not dissolved. For example, if you can take sand and water, if you can mix them, again sand should be goes down. It is not dissolved. Clear? So in this case, what you have to say, the solution that the mixture what we have taken in test tube A, mixture of salt and water, the salt is completely dissolved. Clear? And now here salt is not dissolved. Here after that we have to filtrate these two. That means by taking some filter and we have to filter them. Then here after filtration process we can separate the salt and kerosene next, but it is not possible to separate the salt and water in this mixture. Clear, children? Here after some time salt must be dissolved in the water clearly and after that we want to separate them by the process of filtration. So by taking one filter we have to separate them, but it is not possible because that should be completely dissolved. And in this case, if we are doing the filtration, then we will collect the salt from one side and kerosene should be in the bowl. That means here in a mixture the contents are not separated by the process of filtration. That should be what we call homogeneous mixture. What is that? Homogeneous mixture. Clear? And now this is we are separating. That means after mixing the two or more substances, again they can be separated by the process of filtration. That should be called heterogeneous mixture. Children, clear? Heterogeneous and homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture means after combining the two or more substances, a mixture is formed. Again, that mixture should be separated by using some filtration process. So if the contents are not separated by the filtration process, that mixture is called homogeneous mixture. In a homogeneous mixture, it is not possible to separate the components or contents by filtration process. Got my point, children? For example, I told you what's that? Lemon juice. How we can prepare this lemon juice? Lemon juice is nothing but lemonade. We are taking one glass of water and we are adding some lemon juice. Lemonade means nothing but lemon juice. We are taking some glass of water, and we are taking some lemon and we cut in that one and we are pressing like that. The lemon drops should be mixed with the water, and after that we are adding some sugar, and after some time we are stirring it. Again we are stirring it. So when we can stirring it, after that we are doing some filtration process. Again we are doing some filtration process. So after filtration, maybe there is some possibility to find the seeds, lemon seeds we will get, but after filtration process we are not getting water separately, we are not getting the sugar separately, and we are not getting the lemon juice also not separately. That means what? Here it is not possible to separate them. That is what we call homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture. So in our atmosphere we have so many gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. So many gases are there. They are mixed together. We can't separate them by filtration process. So mixing of atmosphere air, what it is there, that is also best example for homogeneous mixture. And children, here we are prepared chai. Already we know that what is the process. We have to take some bowl, in that we have to pour water, and we are on this gas stove and we are heating the water. In the hot water what you have to drop? Tea powder, and after that what you have to drop? Sugar, and after that what you have to mix? Milk. After some time the tea is prepared. After the filtration process, is it possible to separate again milk, water and sugar separately? Not possible. That type of mixtures is called homogeneous mixtures. Clear, children? Homogeneous mixture. If we can separate them after mixing the two or more substances, if we can separate these substances by the process of filtration, that phenomena is called heterogeneous mixture. If you are not separated by the filtration process, that is the homogeneous mixture. And if you can separate the contents by filtration, that is the heterogeneous mixture. Got, children? So in this way we are explaining all these things. So children, see once again briefly what is mean by pure substance. In a pure substance, the composition of the mass or the composition of the atoms are same in every part of the substance. Clear? In which substance the contents or the composition or distribution of mass, that should be same in every part of the body or substance, that should be called pure substance. Clear? According to science, that is a pure substance, and nothing but all we are finding mixtures. Again, the mixture should be clarified into two types here: homogeneous and heterogeneous. What is a mixture? Mixture is nothing but combining of two or more, or combining or mixing of two or more substances, but they are not chemically combined. That is what we call mixture. Again, mixtures are divided into two types: homogeneous and heterogeneous. So I explained homogeneous and heterogeneous with examples. So after watching this video, you must go to the once textbook and check the content. You can easily understand that one. So what do you mean by homogeneous mixture? Homogeneous mixture means the mixture in which the components or the constituents are not separated by the process of filtration. That mixture is what we call homogeneous. If the contents are separated by the process of filtration, that is what we call heterogeneous. The best example what it is that salt and kerosene. When you are mixing these two, again they should be separated. So children, I hope you understand. So you can watch the every video without skipping, then you can easily understand everything, because I am explaining the content at the basic level. So children, I hope you understand. If you can understand this video, like and share and comment the video and subscribe my channel for latest updates. Bye children, we will meet in the next video with another topic. Bye, take care.